Good morning. My name is Johann Steven Insuasti Brown. My favorite town, my favorite town is Sandona, Nariño. I like its weather is very warm. I like its variety of gastronomy like the melcochas, pile ice cream. I like the tourist high, like the pubs on the world landscape of the mountains Pueblo holiday. In addition, Sandona has the largest church in all the towns of Nariño, with a Gothic style. It is one of those visits. The most beautiful thing about my farm is the large numbers of rivers, the keenness of its inhabitants, and the tranquility that its streets offer. Thank you.